Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lego Game Creations, back with another YouTube video. And today, I have an AR-15. So, this AR-15 took a while to build. It took about a week of building and refining, and it came out very nicely. It looks aesthetically pleasing and is pretty structurally integral. You can use it, swing it around, and it works well. There is a little bit of tape here, but don't mind that. There's minimal tape, and it looks great. It's pretty much all Lego, and I'm happy with it. There's lots of small details, and speaking of details, we'll get onto the functions. So, obviously, working trigger and charging handle and bolt. You also have a fire selector, safe, semi, full auto. It's also on the other side. It's not ambi, although you could easily make it. It's just got a it shows what you're selected. So that would be full auto, semi, safe. It's reversed. You also have a bolt catch. So if you pull the bolt back and activate the bolt catch, and if you look over, the charging handle is not connected to the bolt, and if you press the bolt catch, the bolt goes forward and you are ready to fire. There's also a removable magazine and magazine catch with details. We'll get onto the details now. You have a bullet on top. You have this cool looking charging handle with little extra grips on the side. You can see the bullet through the magazine, but if you remove the magazine, you cannot. You also have a full uniform Picatinny rail on top and one on the bottom. No sides. I didn't have enough pieces to, so I didn't. You have integrated iron sights that do flip down, and this is derived from Modern Warfare. Loosely. It's flimsy, but it folds down into a little block. And now you can add optics such as this holographic sight, and they're all out of the way and it looks nice. Other details and functions include a adjustable stock, which also is removable, that has details such as this hole and curving. You also have the delta ring, and the body is circular. You also have the brass deflector and forward assist, and other smaller details such as this nice trigger well curving. There are also many different attachments for this gun, such as a suppressor, compensator, red dot, reflex, stubby foregrip, hand stop, angled foregrip, bipod foregrip, laser. Yeah, this gun has a lot of attachments, but that's what makes it cool. You can have different setups like stealth. I don't like recoil. I love recoil. 458 SOCOM or 50 Beowulf. And my personal build. It's basically the same as stealth, but instead of suppressor you got a compensator. I like it. Simple, looks good, and can take down these sites, but you can use those as a assistant. So yeah, there's lots of different ways to run your M4. That's why I built it. Looks great, feels great. I might have to do a tutorial on some specific parts, like how I did the grip, or how I did this sight, front folding sight. You might just be able to look at it, but I might do a quick tutorial. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoyed making this video. I was postponed. The first week I was postponed to make this longer video, and the second week I was sick. I had a common cold. I am better now and feeling great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye guys.